Good afternoon, students. I am Mrs. Parvati, PGT Physics, Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Again, I am here with another topic, types of resistances. There are two types of resistances. One is wire-bound resistors. You must have seen nichrome wire, Constantan wire, manganese wire. In 10th class, you have done that wire is wound at a cylindrical form, and also that box type resistors, also black one, 1 ohm, 2 ohm written there. And even in potentiometer experiment, meter bridge experiment, we used to apply the potentiometer wire. We take Constantan, manganese, nichrome wire. All these comes under wire bound resistances in the form of wires. The resistance we use is in the form of wires. Those are called wire bound resistance. There is another type of resistors which are widely used in electrical circuits and electronic circuits. They are carbon color code resistors. Carbon resistors. They are made up of carbon, and their what you can shape is like cylinder, and then both the edges there are small wires connecting points. Okay, like this. I'll show you. These are called carbon resistors. These are called carbon resistors. You know wire bound resistors. Wire bound resistors are nothing but simply wire in the form of wire. I told you examples: Constantan wire, manganese wire, and nichrome wire. Right? Like that. Only wire bound resistances. Now, here we are studying about carbon color code. So there is a cylinder. On that small cylinders are there. Connecting points are there, metallic leads are there at the both ends, and on this cylinder there are circles. You will observe circles, colorful circles, red, brown, green, like that. Okay, so we have to, when we use those resistors to connect, to do the connections on PCB, patch card board, in electronic circuits and electrical circuits and all, it is necessary to decode them. If you know coding, then only you can decode it. Right? If you know coding, then only you can decode it. Suppose if red is there, blue is there, green is there, and one silver line is there. How do you calculate what is the resistance here? So that we should know. Coding and decoding we are going to study. Coding and decoding of carbon resistors we are going to study. And for that you need not remember the entire table here. I will tell you the technique how to remember all the colors. Remaining table is very easy to remember. Rest of the table very easy to remember. Only the sentence you have to remember that. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. Once again I repeat, B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. B.B. Roy. Here see, in this way you can make the tables. What are the tables and all here? That we are going to study. See here, B.B. Roy. B for black, first is black, and then brown, then B.B., then red, B.B. Roy, O for orange, Y for yellow, of great, green, G for green, and Britain, B for blue, wife. Great Britain had a very good. V for violet, and good. Violet, very good, grey, wife. W-H-I-T-E. W for white. Once again, see here. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. B for black, B for brown, and red. R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, V for violet, G for grey, W for white, then gold, silver, no color. It is easy to remember, gold, silver, no color. First you remember this, then write down the second column number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till white, right, 9, and till white here. Gold, silver, no color is not meant for this. I will tell you what for it is afterwards. Then here write the multiplier. The first one is 10 raised to 0, 0 no, so 10 raised to 0. Then 1 no, 10 raised to 1, then 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4 and so on till 10 raised to 9. And the last one here for 9, and for gold 10 raised to minus 1, and for silver it is 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, and no color, I'll tell you what is that. And the next column is tolerance. Madam, what is tolerance? It is nothing but the difference between actual value and the measured value with this coding. There must be a difference. Whenever the resistance is prepared, they have already valued that resistance. Suppose there are 20 ohms, right? Example I am giving here. When I measure with this table, it may be tolerance 10%, 5 to 20% here and there, plus or minus may be there here. So that percentage we call it as tolerance. Tolerance means the difference between the actual value and the measured value, more or less, maybe more or maybe less. In this way, that is called tolerance. Okay, so understood the table here. First, B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. Gold, silver, no color. Remember that. So for tolerance, if gold ring is there, plus or minus 5% tolerance. If silver ring is there, then plus or minus 10%. And if no color is there, then here plus or minus 20% tolerance. Got it? So how do we calculate the resistance? Suppose, for example, I got this resistor, right? And first color is red color, I have noticed. Second is yellow color, and third is orange. From one end, continuously 2-3 color rings are there. From that end only we are supposed to start, not from this end. Where more than one ring is there, that end we are supposed to take first. Once again I am repeating. Where more than one ring is there, at which end, that end we are taking the starting point. This is not a starting point. Here 3 rings are there, so I will start from here. Okay. So the first ring color is red, second is yellow, third is orange, and the last ring is silver. Got it? Then how do we decode here? First of all, first 2 rings represents the number, numeral. First 2 rings, first 2 bands or rings from the end indicates first 2 significant figures. First 2 significant figures, that means numbers. Here what is there? B, red. Red means how much here number? Red. Tell me, 2. Red is 2 here. Right? Red is 2, okay, 2. Then next which ring here? Yellow. Yellow is 4. Yes, yellow is 4. Yellow is 4 or not? Yes, yellow is 4. See here, yellow is 4. Kaha? Where is it? Yes, yellow is 4. I got it. 4. 24 into the third ring gives you multiplier, means power. Third ring color, what is it? Orange. Where is orange here? Yeah, this is orange. Orange is 10 raised to 3. So the value is 24 into 10 raised to 3 ohms. And what is the tolerance? How much difference may be there from the actual value? How much percentage? For that, what is the last color? Silver. For silver, how much here? For silver, how much here? Plus or minus 10%. It's clear? The value, measured value is 24 into 10 raised to 3 ohms, and tolerance is plus or minus 10 ohms. 10%, percentage, not ohms. Plus or minus 10%, less or more will be there here, in this way. Okay, again I would like to repeat, the first 2 colors, bands or circles represents the numerals or significant digits. Third color, that is third ring, third band, represents the multiplier, and the last one represents the tolerance. Suppose if the last ring is not present there, absent, then means no color, then 20% is the tolerance. Okay, second example let us see here. Yeah, here second example, the first ring is blue, blue means 6, and second ring is red, red means 2, And next is brown. Brown means 10 raised to 1. The third ring is multiplier. So 10 raised to 1. There is no ring at all at the second end. What is the tolerance? Plus or minus 20%. Clear? In this way we calculate. So remember once again, B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. In this way you remember these rings, then accordingly write down this one, then it's very easy to remember. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1 and so on. And here the last two 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2. Tolerance is only 3 colors will be there. That is what here 3 colors means gold color or silver color or no color. That's it for tolerance. It's clear? In this way children you are supposed to decode. This also comes in the board examination. They will give you this ring and colors they mention. You have to decode it. You have to make this table. Table they don't give you. You have to remember this. That's why I am telling you this technique to remember how to remember the what you can call it as. How to remember these colors. Okay. So in this way children practice it. See your book NCERT and reference book also. Solve the problems. Okay. See you. Bye bye.